Jamaican shore fishing. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Pick up yourself. We're here picking up Pojo the backpacker. Joe, we're gonna pick him up this morning, and heading out this morning. We're doing a thing called a food run, guys. Now, the food run is that we leave it out of town and take this one particular route that is nothing but food stops along the way. So stay tuned today, guys. We're gonna be making that move today. Pick up yourself, Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here. Yeah, just stopped at Peter Touch Burial Ground with Pojo the backpacker, and this is where that slogan came from, legalize it. And this is Peter Touch.
Yeah, I had no idea this was
that's
here.
That's his gravesite right there. Yeah, guys, so we out with Pojo. You know what I'm saying? Pojo hitting down some peanut porridge.
Yeah.
I'm hitting up some shrimp soup. And he got the pepper shrimp. He's ready to mess these up right now.
Yeah, for sure. This is actually my first time having them.
Yeah, and Laurie's here too, guys. Yep. Ooh. So he's loving these right now. That's what's up, bro. Come on. So if you're in Jamaica, no, it's that pepper that you're saying that it's hot, but you want to continue eating it.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
I'm about to grab another one.
Yep, he's messing these up right now, guys. So if you're in Jamaica at any time, any year, you come to St. Elizabeth at middle quarters, you can come down to Billy's. Look him up on Google, guys. You'll find it. All right? Definitely come down and check him out and give him that support. Trust me, you won't miss out. All right, guys, so bless up yourself. And you guys can see their recipes that they have here. A whole bunch of stuff here. So he has boiled corn, festival, saltfish, fritters, fried fish, curry goat, pepper shrimp, manish water, shrimp soup, all of that, guys. So come down and check them out, all right? Jamaican shore fishing told you. Outside. So we just arrived, Little Ochie, St. Elizabeth, on the south coast of Jamaica. And we're here, and we just get ready now, guys, to get some seafood in the stomach. And I'm with Pojo the backpacker. We're here, and we're on the coastline. You understand, guys? So we're just here, just checking out what's going on here. There goes a Fort Escovitch over there where they're always diving off of. But this is Little Ochie, guys. Welcome to Little Ochie, where you can actually sit in one of these little old boats and eat. I kind of like sitting on that side or down here when I'm on the water. Let's go check out what's going inside, Pojo. So, me and Pojo is here, guys. We're just gonna run through this place and see what's. They're not even open yet. I thought we here mad early. And black sand beaches, guys. Look at this. Stay tuned, guys. So, we're at Little Ochie, St. Elizabeth. We came down to get some seafood. Me and Pojo and Laurie, and just came down to eat some food, guys, and just chill out and just munch on some stuff. Take you guys in and show you guys what they got in the fridge. So this is what it looks like in here, guys. Just like that. And I think Pojo said he's going to eat some lobsters, lobster and stuff like that. And yeah, shrimp, seafood. And Sipari, some fresh fish. We'll choose some here. Stopped here. Pojo just got his lobster.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mud. Oh, you're dripping your juice.
Oh shit.
And then Laurie got her fried fish. Look at that, guys. And these are the sides. You got festival, plantains, and bami. And I got myself a jerk fish. This is worth trying. You gotta try a piece of this. You gotta try a piece of this, bro. You're gonna be like, damn. But that's it, guys. We just did the seafood run with Pojo.
Yeah, I'm pumped.
Yep. And I'm about to dig into this, so stay tuned.
Pieces,
Yeah,
three
Pojo,
pieces
Pojo
actually.
mashing up his lobster already. Look
Yes. Look at this.
at that. Unbelievable.
Look at all this right here.
Yeah. I got my broji here,
Yo.
dealing with a business right here like that.
I'm actually gonna have to.
Yeah.
You guys
Original
right here.
Manchester person, you know?
Yeah.
For real. And then
I'm
we
gonna
have Larry
this
here.
up right here.
So
This is actually. I was telling Jamaica. Go ahead.
No, I didn't want ice too, but look at one.
Yeah.
yeah, guys. So I needed ice. Thank you.
Enjoy, see?
Yeah. So here, guys, I'm gonna try my jerk fish. This is amazing. Make sure you come down and look at Ochie, Jamaica, guys. And try the jerk fish. Try their lobster. And try the escovitch fish. And then plantain. 3 of them. Outside, guys, stay tuned. We'll get busy into this right now and enjoy some of this. Yeah, bless up Jamaican shore fishing, guys. I'm sorry I couldn't hold the camera and sat there and let you guys watch me eat this lovely jerk fish that I just ate and watch Pojo mash up him lobsters. Pojo just mashed up 4 lobsters, guys. Look at that.
That was
He killed it.
fire.
So it's like on a scale of 1 to 10, was the drive worth it to come here?
Yeah, for sure. And this is only the start of the day.
Yeah, and we just started. It's early, still in the morning.
Yeah, still in the morning.
So we're just this is breakfast for us.
Yeah. This was our breakfast.
Yeah, this was breakfast. So we just starved ourselves all the way here and drove all the way here. We stopped, got pepper shrimp. He got peanut porridge,
Yeah, 2 of them.
and she had peanut porridge, and I had shrimp soup and had shrimp on top of it. So we kind of held off a bit until we got here because we knew that the main course was going to be the kicker. So this is called a seafood run, and I do this all the time, every year. I do this with my mom. I do it with my family, friends, my boy here, take him down for the first time so he can experience it. And trust me, guys, on a scale of 1 to 10, I give this an 11. Straight seafood boss, Likle Ochie, St. Elizabeth. Come down here and check it out. All right, stay tuned for the rest of the journey, guys. Making shore fishing. We out. Yourselves. 3rd or 4th stop. We hitting the beach now. Pojo is in the water. He wanted to touch some water before we hit the next spot. So I'm like, all right, we're gonna pull up at a spot, boost up our little vibes, and then shoot down the road. Laurie's catching a cool shade. She didn't bring her swimsuit today, so I don't think she's swimming, and neither myself. But we let Pojo get a quick swim, and then we heading on down the road to the next spot. So stay tuned, Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here. Yeah, Jamaican shore fishing. Stopped in another spot. Noticed another YouTuber filming his video. So we said, let me jump over and check him out, see who he is. So we have Capo Adventures.
That is it, yeah, man.
And you guys go over his channel, check him out. Please like, share, subscribe, guys, and watch ads, guys. Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here. Hi, guys. Big up Jamaican shore fishing here. We just stopped at Cave at Angie's Highway pub and variety store, guys. So if you're in the Cave area, Westmoreland side, and you're coming through, and you can get all your little finger jigs, you can get swimming trunks, you can get all kinds of stuff here, guys, if you're passing on the road and you want some emergency gears and supplies. So check out Angie's Highway pub, guys. Sure you do that. Jamaican shore fishing tells us outside. Shore fishing. So another stop, another place. Me and Pojo again. We're hitting up Border Jerk Center. That's it. Border Jerk Center. And guys, you want to know where this is? This is on the border of Westmoreland and Hanover, right there. The sign's right there. Right on the border. Dead smack. And that's the name of it, guys. So me and Pojo's out here. We've been making the food run. This is the total awesome food run. Local Jamaican foods. Just running up to all the spots and just hitting them up and just trying out some good foods. So stay tuned, guys, while we check out this good food. Alright? Alright, guys. So Laurie got her plan. We just got some pork. Sampling some jerk pork. I bought a jerk. Yo, that pepper is serious. Guys, that is serious. I got Pojo here ready to try his stuff.
Yeah, I'm about to. There's a lot of. I just got a swirl of ginger. So much ginger in there.
It's like, wow, explosive. Gotcha. So we're here, guys, and we're at Water Jerk, and we're just trying some new things. Stopping food run. Jamaican shore fishing. We got us came to the end of our journey, I think me and Pojo drove across half the island today.
Yeah, pretty much. Well, you drove.
Yeah,
I
pretty
sat
much
in the passenger seat.
half the island today, and we did the food run, guys, and just stop at different parishes, different food cuisines, different styles of cooking, tasting different things along the way, and trust me, it was well worth it.
Yeah, it was good. I had a good time today.
It was awesome. We had a great time. So, without further ado, guys, check out those awesome scenes. Jamaican shore fishing, Pojo the backpacker. We are out here.